Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when I close the lid option is grayed out over here. So over here you can see on battery also the option is grayed out, on plugged in also the option is grayed out. Now to fix this, go to the start menu, then click on settings to open Windows settings, and then go to accounts. Now go to email and accounts. Now over here if you see work or school account, go ahead and remove work or school account. Now before you remove work or school account, let me inform you that you might lose all the data associated with work or school account. So if you agree, click on it. Now over here you will see the remove option. In my case I don't see the remove option, but in your case if you see the remove option, go ahead and remove it. Now in case if you don't see it, you can go ahead and skip this step. So it will be like this, remove option. So if you see the remove option, you can go ahead and remove it. Now go back to accounts once again, and this time click on access work or school account. Now over here you can see your work or school account. Click on it and then click on disconnect. Now before you disconnect, over here you can see the prompt which says, are you sure you want to remove this account? This will remove your access to resources like email, apps, network, and all the content associated with it. Your organization might also remove some data stored on this device. So if you agree, click on yes. And once work or school account is removed from here, disconnected, so it's still disconnecting. Now once this is disconnected, you won't see your work or school account. Now go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, and then click on restart. Do not shut down, just restart your computer. And after the system restart, when you go to power options, now click on choose what closing the lid does. Now over here, when I close the lid, option should be highlighted, and you can go ahead and make changes over here. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.